Good morning, whole food plant people. Today I realized that since I started this channel, I've actually been gaining weight. Crazy. Because now I'm sitting around editing videos instead of moving around working on the property like I used to. So I've decided it's time to get serious. I'm going to be working with my wife, Annie, on preparing our food for the day, every day, getting the proper exercise, and making sure that we do this and get back down in weight and then ultimately to my weight goal. This includes a whole food plant diet, exercise, mental discipline, and preparation. I'll be showing occasional recipes, and I'll be showing what I eat in a day and what I'm doing to keep myself fit and to lose weight in a healthy way, getting the nutrition that I need by eating a balanced diet, guiding myself using the Daily Dozen by Dr. Greger from nutritionfacts.org, a free website, a free resource, and a free app. I'm also going to be guiding myself based on my prior visits as a patient with Dr. Caldwell B Esselstyn Jr. this year in 2022. So I'll be letting you know everything that I'm doing and why based on advice from the experts. Maybe you can join us on this journey and watch every day for new videos, and we'll log what we're doing, and maybe it'll help someone else. Thanks for watching Whole Food Plant People.